Hello, students. This question, number 7, in your geometry practice, asks us to find the volume of a square pyramid. Okay, so let's look at a square pyramid. My rough drawing here. A square pyramid has 5 sides to it. It has a square base, and it has 4 triangular sides that meet their vertex, their points, meet at the top of the pyramid. The top of the pyramid is called the apex, okay? The square part is your base, your square base, and of course you have your triangular sides. Okay, so there is a formula for that. It's also good to know that the volume, which fills how many little square cubic units, volume is measured in cubic units, how many little square cubes will fit inside that figure. Well, the volume of this is 1/3 the volume of a cube, which would be like your Rubik's Cube that you could hold, okay? So we have a formula, a squared times x divided by 3. Okay, a stands for the side length of your square base, and we know that that is 5 because it tells us in the drawing. Each of the side on the base is 5, and the height of the pyramid from the center of the base to the apex, to the top of the pyramid, is 9 yards. Okay, so let's just fill in our pieces into our formula. So A we know is our square base, so let's put 5 squared, okay, times the height. The height from the base to the top, they tell us, is 9. So 9. And we could put divided by right there, 3. Okay, so we can write it like that. Okay, so 5 squared. What is 5 times itself, or 5 times 5? We can put 5 times 5, or we can put 5 with our little x squared right here and click enter. Okay, so we have 25 times 9 divided by 3, back to the beginning. Okay, 25 times 9. 25 times 9, 225, divided by 3, 75 cubic yards will be our final answer for that. Okay, if you notice, we follow our order of operations, but multiplying, dividing, it's whichever comes first, left to right, but we always do our exponents first. Remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses and exponents, we do that first. Then we multiply and divide, whichever comes first, left to right. And last, we add and subtract, whichever comes first, left to right. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We found that the volume, how many little cubic cubes will fit inside this square pyramid, 75 of those. Go online and look up square pyramids and do a little research on them. They can be quite interesting. You can solve some more of them online. See you on the next video.